Hi guys, it's Alan from Curry's here, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that we love about the Philips LatteGo coffee machine. It can make a variety of coffee drinks, it lets you add barista style milk froth, and it's easy to adjust the settings to your taste. Now I'm going to jump over to the lab and we're going to check out this coffee machine in a bit more detail. You have a few different options to choose from, really dependent on what you fancy. Best of all you have to do, click the button for the drink that you fancy and away you go. Say you fancy an espresso, you're in a hurry and you want a quick shot, it's there. Or you can have an Americano or a cappuccino if you fancy something to savour. You can give your drinks a professional looking finish just like this with barista style froth. The milk dispenser mixes the milk with the air at a super high speed, giving a beautiful, smooth, velvety texture. And you can make the drinks to your taste. The touchscreen controls allow you to customise the strength as well as the amount and the water temperature. If you'd like more information about this Philips LatteGo coffee machine, you can head into store, check us out online, or you can talk with one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.